This is my floor panel I designed for Miniverse and similar scale sets. This is the checkerboard pattern. It is paintable with acrylic paints. I suggest spraying a top seal on top when it's completed, but you can see it has actually the etched lines to make it easy to paint. The back is smooth but has 8 of these alignment slots on the back, and these are designed to help you connect multiple panels together in any configuration you like. Every floor panel comes with 8 of these little alignment sticks that you can just slide in to place. You can use any kind of super glue to glue them in place. I would glue them on the one side first, let them dry, then add glue to both the sticks and to the edge of the floor that you're connecting it to. Then you can use these. You can help align them into place like that. Connect it tight together. Then I would add a weight, like a book perhaps, onto the top until it's thoroughly dry. You can do, because the slots are on all 4 sides, you can connect them any way that you want. You can make one large surface or a long one or an L shape or any way that you like. Once thoroughly dry, they will be permanently bonded. And that's how you would connect them. You could, if you didn't want a permanent bond, you could use something like double-sided tape, or you could use a cardboard surface that's the shape that you want to, and double-side tape them to it, or even Velcro tape it to it. So that's how to attach multiple pieces of my floor. These floor tiles come in 2 sizes. This is the 8.5 inch. They also come in a 7 inch. They also come in black or teal green to match the Honeydew set.